Do you love salads but feel they taste like you're eating a plate of garden weeds when you make them homemade? Hi friends, this is Heather the Fed Up Foodie, and this chicken berry salad is not only easy, it is also sweet, savory, and refreshing, making it an ideal summer salad. Also, almost all the ingredients can be made in advance, making for a very quick dinner or side dish for parties. The secret to making this such an irresistible salad is to balance the flavors and textures. Sweet berries are a tasty companion to the tangy white balsamic vinaigrette and the savory all-purpose chicken. Add in the creaminess of the avocado and the crunchy almonds, and you have an absolutely divine salad that is 1,000 times better than any restaurant. One of the biggest challenges that people face when dealing with fresh berries is how quickly they spoil. I have found the best solution is to bathe them in a water and vinegar mixture, rinse them well, and dry before storing. Have no worries though, I give the step-by-step instructions within the recipe post. For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.